Welcome back. So let's set expectations and the outcomes. So by the end of the course, you will be confident that you have all the tools and the knowledge you need to start an online coaching business. So you can expect from me that I'm going to teach you the practicalities around getting started, the tools you need, how to find your clients, but you do need to take action to make things happen. So, as much as I tell you what you need to do, you do need to do it to get those outcomes. So, profitable online coaching happens when you have clients and when you take action. And, like I was explaining in the last video, that can happen where you start off with someone for free. And then you get some experience, you get a testimonial, and then you move on to the next client and the next client. But if you just think about it and get worried, what about if they ask me this question and I don't know the answer? Or what about if I don't use the right software? Or maybe I don't feel comfortable on video? Or should I be doing it by phone? Or should I just do it by email? Or whatever the questions might be, then if you don't answer and move forward and say to yourself, okay, I'm going to overcome this, then you're going to have issues with getting it out there. And then you're going to feel disappointed with yourself because you're thinking, if I'd only tried this, I might have moved further forward. So don't be that person. Be the person who takes action, who gets the clients, who trials, who goes wrong, who picks themselves back up and does it again. So write down for me before you start the next module, what are you hoping to get out of this course? What would you like to achieve by doing this course? Because if you set it out early on, we're going to go into goals in upcoming modules, but just say what you want to achieve in this course, and that will keep you going throughout it. So that said, get ready. We're going to move on to the first module about starting your own coaching business. And yeah, so hopefully you're ready and rearing to get started. So I will see you in the next module. Take care. Bye.